Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I got a fantastic tutorial for you. We'll be diving into the process of recording your PC screen using Filmora. Now let's get started. Step 1. Record your PC screen. Open Filmora. First things first, create a new project. Alright, here comes the fun part. Click on the Record tab. And then you choose Record PC Screen. Step 2. Adjusting recording settings. Look at that, the recording settings window just popped up. Now, pay attention. You can customize your recording according to your preferences. First, you can adjust the screen resolution. I got mine set to a crisp 1920 by 1080, also known as Full HD. If you want to silence your computer speakers during recording, go ahead and check that box. As for me, I'll be disabling the microphone for this one. Step 3. Tap Record button. Okay, we're all set up. Time to hit that big red record button. Start to record your PC screen. Simply click F9 as your stop button when you're done. Your freshly recorded masterpiece will appear in your media project, ready to be used in your video. And just like that, you've learned how to record your PC screen using Filmora. If you found this tutorial helpful, show some love by smashing that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more useful guides. Thanks for watching.